At the controls, ladies and gentlemen, are two professional radio control pilots from Prescott Valley, Arizona. Mr. Matt Hinshaw flying the Very Fast 3D Trickmaster, and Mr. Dan Griffin flying Valley Hobbies Mini Sukhoi. So, gentlemen, go ahead and start your engines. Matt will be demonstrating what is called a 3D fly. This is when the airplane flies forward, backwards, hovers, spins, and does some really cool aerobatics. Let's give him a hand. That's very cool. And Dan will be demonstrating Valley Hobbies Mini Sukhoi that can do 3D flying as well as some really cool aerobatic flying. The little mini airplanes are great for indoor flying and just plain showing off. To let everyone know a little bit about radio control flying, it's the ultimate fun and exciting thing to do right here in Prescott Valley. Across from Tim's Toyota Center is the Very Fast Radio Control Park that provides 4.5 acres of radio control fun and excitement. And by the way, for radio-controlled airplanes, helicopters, and off-road cars, the park has 3 large runways for the airplanes, 2 helipads for the helicopters, and a large off-road race course for the cars. The park is a non-profit community project, but does require membership for insurance reasons. They provide free flying lessons for anyone that wants to learn how to fly a radio-controlled airplane with 2 trainer airplanes. The park also has a radio-controlled off-road race course that is called Root Dog Raceway. It has races twice a month. And just a hoop, skip, and a jump next to Safeway is Valley Hobby Shop. And they have all the radio control toys that can be played with and used at Very Fast Radio Control Park. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a nice hand, because these are absolutely wonderful. Come on! If you're enjoying it, thank you, gentlemen, from the Very Fast Raceway. And let's have another nice hand as they come in for a very smooth ice landing.